Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classvita.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is the required minimum cooking the temperatures for a ground beef is 155 F68 C. Why must ground beef the cooked to these temperatures? The correct answer of the question is ground beef, like others ground meats, must be cooked at specific minimum temperature for a safety reasons, primarily to eliminate harmful bacteria and the pathogens that may present in the meat. The required minimum cooking temperatures of a ground beef 51-55 F68 degree is based on food safety guidelines established by health and the regularly authorized, such as the United States Departments of the Agriculture USDA and the Food and Drug Administration FDA. Here are the key reasons for the cooking grounds beef to these temperatures. Pathogens eliminations. Ground beef can be contain harmful bacteria like E. coli, salmonella, and other pathogens that may cause foodborne illness. Cooking ground beef to the at least 155 F68 C helps ensures that these pathogens as the light that the meat is safe to consume. Bacteria destructions. Cooking ground to the recommended temperature destroy harmful bacteria throughout the meats, including the centers where bacteria are most likely to survive. Consumer safety. Establish a minimum cooking temperatures, provides a clear guidelines for our customers, ensuring that they reach a safe temperature that minimize the risk for food bonds islands. Compliance with food safety regulations. Entering is established cooking temperatures is required by food safety regulation to reduce the risk food bonds islands outbreaks associated with the undercooked ground beef. So consist guidelines setting a standards minimum cooking temperatures helps to maintain consistent safety guidelines across the food industry facilities and the food handling practice. Public health. Cooking ground beef to recommended temperature is a prevent ensures to safeguards public health by the reducing likelihood of the foodborne disease associated with the consuming undercooked meat. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classvita.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.